Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check if your AirPods Pro 2nd generation are still charging. So take a look. Right here I have the wireless charger, but it will look the same for the wired charger if I plug the cable right here. And when you put it to the charging, this indicator will turns orange. So it means that this case it's not on the 100% of the battery, because when it's orange it means that the device is charging. When it turns green it means that it's fully charged. So when this indicator is turned off and it's plugged to the charger, it means that it's not fully charged. When it's on the green and when it's connected to the charger, it means that it's fully charged. So that's how you can check if your device is still charging or not. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.